Did you know that, according to statistics from the American Heart Association, nearly 70% of people over the age of 60 are living with some form of heart damage without even knowing it? And what is even more concerning is that most of this damage begins with breakfast. You might be thinking, I don't eat fried foods. I avoid red meat. I only have a light breakfast. But if that breakfast is a slice of white bread with sweet jam or a bowl of instant cereal with skim milk, then please take a moment to stop, because these seemingly healthy choices may actually be slowly wearing down your heart day by day, quite literally. I am a doctor who has worked with thousands of older adults for more than 30 years. And in today's message, I will share with you 9 common breakfast foods that silently harm your heart. More importantly, I will guide you on what to eat instead, so your heart can begin to heal beat by beat. If you are living anywhere in the world, feel free to share your country below. How old are you? What do you usually eat for breakfast? Please share, because your story might help someone else live a healthier life each day. The first breakfast, white bread and sweet jam. Charles Benton, 72 years old, lives in a quiet suburb in Indiana. He starts every morning with a slice of toasted white bread and a bit of strawberry jam. I don't eat anything heavy. Doctor, he said, during a checkup for mild chest tightness whenever the weather turned cold, just a slice of bread and some light coffee, I always thought that was a safe choice. Unfortunately, that light breakfast turned out to be the reason his heart was struggling. White bread is made from refined flour, which has been stripped of nearly all fiber and essential nutrients. When combined with jam, even those labeled fruit only, the amount of simple sugar shoots up, causing Charles's blood sugar to spike rapidly, then crash within 1 to 2 hours. For an aging body, this roller coaster reaction leads to chronic inflammation in the blood vessels, elevated cholesterol, and high blood pressure, according to a 2022 report from Tufts University. Over the years, his cardiovascular system became like a rusted water pipe, constantly straining under pressure. When we changed Charles's breakfast to sprouted whole grain bread topped with almond butter and half a banana, his blood pressure went down, his glucose levels stabilized, and his fatigue disappeared. You see, less doesn't always mean better. For people over the age of 60, what matters most is not the quantity, but the quality of each bite. So if even a single slice of white bread can trigger heart inflammation, what could be hiding inside that heart-healthy cereal box you eat every morning? The second breakfast instant cereal, Elaine Carter, 75 years old, is a retired library teacher in North Carolina. She described her breakfast as ideal: a bowl of whole grain cereal with unsweetened skim milk. I don't eat red meat, no fried food. I walk every day. Why is my blood pressure still high? Doctor, I've heard this question from hundreds of patients, and often the answer lies right inside that morning cereal bowl. On the packaging, instant cereals are labeled low-fat, cholesterol-friendly, or whole grain, but when you take a closer look at the ingredients, the truth is different. According to an analysis from Harvard University, many cereals marketed to older adults contain up to 15 to 20 grams of sugar per serving, and their sodium levels are no lower than a bag of chips. Refined sugar causes a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a rise in insulin, and then a sharp crash that leaves you feeling tired within just a few hours. Hidden sodium quietly raises blood pressure and cancels out the effect of your medication. When Elaine switched to slow-cooked whole oats with a bit of chia seeds, blueberries, and a few walnuts, her blood pressure stabilized and her energy returned within just 4 weeks. I never imagined the thing I believed was healthy was actually draining me every morning. She shared, food is not just nutrition, It sends signals to your cardiovascular system. And if even healthy cereal can backfire, then what other foods might be silently harming your heart on your breakfast plate? Take a closer look at the bacon or sausage you might be frying each morning. The third, breakfast bacon and sausage. The smell of a few slices of crispy bacon or sizzling sausage can wake up the entire kitchen. For many people, especially older men, this is more than just breakfast. It is a part of memory. Howard Kenney, 78 years old, a veteran from Arkansas, told me during his first visit, I live a healthy life. I walk every morning. I take my meds, and I only eat 3 slices of bacon. Get the eggs. And 1 slice of bread. That's it. But Howard didn't realize that those 3 slices of meat were giving him over 600 milligrams of sodium and nearly 9 grams of saturated fat before he even finished his morning coffee. For an aging heart, that is no longer fuel. It is a heavy burden. Studies from the Harvard School of Public Health show that regularly eating processed meat increases the risk of heart failure, high blood pressure, and atherosclerosis in people over the age of 60. Preservatives like nitrites and nitrates not only keep meat looking fresh, but also trigger inflammation and damage the inner lining of blood vessels. We changed Howard's breakfast to sautéed spinach in olive oil, 1 boiled egg, and a few slices of avocado. After 2 months, he lost 4 kilograms. His heart rate became steady. And most importantly, the chest tightness he used to feel during his morning walks was gone. I understand that giving up the comforting smell of fried meat each morning is not easy. But ask yourself, this is 1 minute of delicious flavor worth trading for a whole day of fatigue and a burdened heart. And if a piece of meat can do this much harm, could that sweet little muffin really be as gentle as it looks? The 4th breakfast muffins, pancakes. And Syrup Janice Lowell, 81 years old, is a retired music teacher from Illinois. She came in for a checkup because her daughter was concerned about frequent morning dizziness. I don't eat anything reckless. She said, just a blueberry muffin and coffee every morning. It's light and tasty. But when I looked at the ingredients on the packaging of the muffins, she usually bought, the truth became clear, 1 small muffin contained up to 25 grams of sugar and almost no fiber. Combined with an empty stomach in the morning, her blood sugar would spike quickly, then crash, a cycle that the heart and brain can barely tolerate in someone over 80. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that a breakfast high in refined sugar but low in protein and fiber increases the risk of irregular heartbeat, weakens blood pressure regulation, and leads to dizziness and fatigue within 1 to 2 hours after eating. I guided Mrs. Janice to try a simpler option, half a banana, some rolled oats, unsweetened Greek yogurt, and a dash of cinnamon. Within just a few weeks, the dizziness disappeared. Her mood became more stable, and the morning anxiety was gone. The smell of sweet pastries in the morning may feel comforting, but for an aging heart, it is a sugar trap hiding beneath a soft and familiar shell. And if a muffin can be that dangerous, have you ever taken a closer look at that morning glass of orange juice that seems so healthy? The 5th breakfast bottled fruit juice, Gloria Martinez, is 74 years old and lives in San Diego. Every morning, she drinks a glass of orange juice to start her day. She believes it is the healthiest choice, especially since she gave up soda and other sugary drinks long ago. But during a routine checkup, she told me she often felt tired. Her heart would beat quickly, and she experienced slight chest discomfort after breakfast. Her test results showed that her blood pressure and EKG were still within safe limits. But something wasn't right. When I asked more about her morning routine, Gloria finally mentioned that she usually drank a glass of bottled orange juice right after waking up. What many people don't realize is that 1 glass of orange juice can contain more than 30 grams of sugar, equal to or even more than a can of soda. The problem is not the fruit itself, but the fact that juice has had all the fiber removed, causing the sugar to absorb into the bloodstream too quickly. This triggers a sharp insulin spike, followed by a sudden drop. Younger bodies may adapt, but for the cardiovascular system of someone over 60, this is a silent shock. According to research from Harvard University, drinking fruit juice in the morning causes dramatic fluctuations in blood sugar and blood pressure, increasing the risk of vascular inflammation and heart rhythm disturbances. When Gloria switched to eating a whole orange along with a few slices of avocado and a boiled egg, her heart rate stabilized and the morning palpitations disappeared. If fruit juice can be a sweet trap, what could be hiding behind that fragrant cup of coffee you enjoy each day? The 6 breakfast-flavored coffee drinks Leonard Hayes, 76 years old, was formerly an accountant in New Jersey. He always took pride in living moderately, eating clean, walking every day, and never touching fast food. But he had one small joy he never gave up for the past 10 years. Every morning, he would drive to his favorite coffee shop to order a vanilla latte with whipped cream. I thought it was just coffee. He said, something that made the morning feel a little more pleasant. But after several months of unusual fatigue, irregular heartbeat, and high blood pressure in the morning, he decided to get a checkup. The EKG showed premature atrial contractions, a sign that his heart was overreacting to stimulants and sugar. When we analyzed the ingredients in the latte he had been drinking, the numbers shocked him. Nearly 42 grams of sugar and over 300 calories in a small serving. Coffee was no longer coffee. It had become a liquid dessert, combining sugar, saturated fat, and caffeine. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, the combination of sugar and caffeine in the morning raises heart rate, destabilizes blood pressure, and accelerates arterial inflammation in older adults, especially for those taking heart medications. When Leonard switched to lightly brewed black coffee with a splash of unsweetened nut milk, his fatigue and irregular heartbeat gradually disappeared. The issue is not with coffee itself, but with what comes with it. If you start your day with a cup of coffee that tastes like dessert, be cautious. But it doesn't stop there, because even healthy breakfasts like granola and dried fruit may be quietly disrupting your heart's natural rhythm. The 7th breakfast granola and dried fruit Mrs. Lorraine Becker, 79 years old, lives in the state of Iowa. Every morning, she prepares what looks like a very healthy meal, a bit of granola, almond milk, and a heaping spoonful of dried fruit. I don't eat cured meats. I don't drink juice, and I don't use cream-based coffee. She said, this breakfast, I truly believe, is good for my heart. But after several months of feeling tired in the mornings and being told by her doctor that her blood pressure was rising despite regular medication, she decided to take a closer look at her diet. When I checked the nutrition label on the granola she used every day, everything became clear. A small serving contained more than 18 grams of sugar and nearly 200 calories, not including the sugar from the dried fruit. The dried fruit she added looked natural, but in reality, it contained added corn syrup and preservatives. In total, her breakfast delivered over 30 grams of sugar, equivalent to a can of soda. According to research from McMaster University, added sugars in granola and dried fruits increase inflammatory responses, speed up arterial plaque buildup, and reduce the effectiveness of blood pressure medications in people over 60. When she switched to rolled oats, fresh banana, and a few walnuts, her reading stabilized within a few weeks. Foods that appear healthy may not always be gentle on an aging heart. And if granola can be a sweet trap, what might be hiding inside that fruit-flavored yogurt you trust to support your digestion? The 8th breakfast flavored yogurt Mrs. Carol Jennings, 72 years old, was formerly a nurse in Oregon. During her visit, she shared that every morning she felt slightly dizzy. Her heart would beat rapidly. And sometimes she felt anxious for no clear reason. I eat very lightly. She said, just one fat-free strawberry yogurt and a few slices of banana. That's all. It sounded like a perfect choice for digestion and heart health. But when I asked her to bring the product label to the next appointment, the story became much clearer. The flavored yogurt she had every morning contained up to 22 grams of sugar, most of it coming from syrup and artificial sweeteners, not from real fruit. Combined with the natural sugars in the banana, this seemingly simple breakfast was causing her blood sugar to spike within minutes, then crash just as quickly. This led to fatigue, palpitations, and a sense of imbalance. According to the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association, flavored yogurt products high in added sugar can cause blood sugar dysregulation, increase inflammation, and affect heart rhythm in older adults, especially when eaten on an empty stomach. After switching to unsweetened Greek yogurt with berries and ground flax seeds, Mrs. Carroll felt more stable, more alert, and no longer experienced morning palpitations. Food is not just nutrition. It is a message sent to your heart. And if even a small cup of yogurt can throw your cardiovascular system off balance, then what might happen if you skip breakfast altogether? The ninth breakfast, skipping breakfast, Mr. Samuel Price, 82 years old, lives in Ohio and used to work as a mechanic. He came in for a checkup after feeling faint and nearly falling in his yard. I didn't pass out. He said, just felt a little dizzy and had blurred vision for a moment. His initial test results were not overly alarming. But what concerned me was his answer when I asked about his morning routine. He usually woke up at 6 a.m., had a cup of black coffee, took his blood pressure medication, and didn't eat anything until noon. I don't feel hungry. Ever since I retired, I just got used to it. He shared, but after running multiple tests and checking his blood pressure, blood sugar, and heart rhythm at different times, we discovered that his body was experiencing metabolic stress due to prolonged morning fasting. According to a report from Tufts University, skipping breakfast in people over 60 increases the release of stress hormones. This causes a rise in blood pressure, narrows the blood vessels, and interferes with medication absorption. It can lead to sudden blood pressure drops or irregular heartbeats. We recommended a very simple breakfast, half a slice of whole grain bread, one boiled egg, and a few slices of avocado. Within just 1 week, the dizziness disappeared, and he felt more alert and emotionally balanced. Skipping breakfast does not make you leaner or stronger. On the contrary, it silently places your heart under unnecessary pressure. So, what are the simple, affordable breakfasts that can truly help your heart recover each day? Mrs. Ruby Thomas, 84 years old, was once a midwife in the state of Georgia. Although she had no major illnesses, she felt tired every morning. Her blood pressure fluctuated and her mind felt foggy. She came to see me with one very specific wish. I don't want to take more medication. I just want to understand my body better so I can adjust. She said, and we started with breakfast. Mrs. Ruby didn't need anything fancy. I suggested a few simple options. Easy to prepare and suitable for her aging body. On early weekdays, she had slow-cooked plain oats with a spoonful of chia seeds and some fresh blueberries. In the middle of the week, she switched to one slice of whole grain bread, a boiled egg, and a few slices of avocado. On weekends, she enjoyed a small bowl of unsweetened Greek yogurt mixed with berries and crushed walnuts. These are not trendy meals. They are foods that truly know how to calm blood vessels, stabilize blood sugar, and support the heart from within. According to Tufts University, a breakfast rich in soluble fiber, healthy fats, and light protein can help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol, and maintain a steady heart rhythm for people over 60. After just 3 weeks, Mrs. Ruby called me and said something I will never forget. I no longer feel like I'm chasing energy every morning. Now I feel like I'm leading the day. You can begin just like she did with one small change starting from tomorrow's breakfast. Now, you can see clearly that the seemingly harmless breakfast, a slice of white bread, a box of cereal labeled heart healthy, a glass of fresh orange juice, or even a small cup of strawberry yogurt can silently trigger inflammation, disrupt blood sugar levels, and put your heart under prolonged stress. Ava, worse, many people believe that skipping breakfast is a good way to control weight. But for a body over the age of 60, skipping the morning meal is like forcing the heart to run without fuel. The good news is you don't need to change everything at once. Just replacing one item each morning can make a real difference to your heart health. A slice of whole grain bread instead of white bread, a bowl of slow-cooked oats instead of instant cereal, a whole orange instead of bottled juice, a boiled egg and a few slices of avocado instead of fried sausage. These small choices, repeated daily, will become a lasting shield that protects your heart for the rest of your life. I have seen hundreds of older adults reverse their blood pressure, reduce fatigue, and regain their independence simply by adjusting their breakfast. And I believe you can do it too, starting tomorrow. If you found today's message helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your loved ones or friends over 60. We will continue to share more guidance on diet, exercise, and natural remedies to help improve quality of life in old age. And if you are currently eating one of the breakfast foods listed above, feel free to share your experience in the comments. Every story is a warning, a leçon, and perhaps a spark of hope for someone who needs a change